Hi there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much. We are happy to have you with us. Right now, you're watching unique and latest Black women braids hairstyles. You'll find cornrow braids ideas for ladies trending. Within this video, you're certainly gonna come across wonderful styles. Talk about viewing the style from different angles, front, back, and side views of most of these hairstyles to show you how the hair should look when it's done. You can find very lovely and amazing styles you may want to try out, especially considering the season. It's a wonderful time to be on braids, or of course cornrow braids, and of course it's a long lasting simple maintenance hairstyles. Styling it is easy. It all depends on your choice as well. We have tons of amazing videos like this within our channel already up and running. You can definitely stop by and check those out as you watch so many unique and amazing videos from our platform. We are really happy that you find something and really hope you do. And of course, we encourage you to always watch the video through the end. You may miss out on a wonderful style that you may actually accept and may want to try out the next time you have your hair appointment. So again, these are just a very simple collections of hairstyles, especially if you don't want to spend too much time at your hair salon, your favorite place to make your hair or style your hair. We encourage you to go for what you like and what pleases you in totality. Yes, it all depends on what you accept, and we encourage you to go for what you love again. So go right ahead and check out our other videos on our playlist. We have varieties and a lot of amazing videos already up and running. You can pick wonderful styles from. Do not forget to check out our Amazon store for products that you may like and you may want to make purchase of, because of course it's Amazon, it's trusted. The suppliers and vendors are trusted, so you can make your purchase from within our Amazon store. The link is right here within the description area, but of course if you don't find it there, you can check out about page section and you'll find the link to our Amazon store. Make sure you stop by and make your purchase right there as well. Again, don't forget again to check out the videos that will be coming up as we move forward, whether it's our long form video or a short form video. You're surely going to find something to inspire you and help you stand out and look absolutely beautiful as the beautiful woman that we know you are. If there's anything in particular you may not want to see from our platform, you can let us know as well, and we're sure to help you put together something to give you wonderful inspiration. Thank you so very much for watching. Stick around with us as we go forward. You take care and bye.